What is up, guys? Derek with Divine AV back here on another cool home theater install. Right now I'm at my shop. We are doing an 11-channel 7.2.4 system. I'm just installing the Pros today, so I'm putting in all the Pro C16s, or the Pro 16 RCs, and then Pro 16 RWs right there. For those Yamaha 3080 for powering all this 60/50 projection, So yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome to our channel. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. If you're new, smash the like button, give us a subscribe, check out the rest of our channel. We do a lot of cool tech with the tech and among other things on our channel, a lot of installs. But yeah, here's our showroom right here. Mercedes is in there. That is the lady you will be calling for ordering all that stuff. If you call us at that 214-600-4144 number, she can handle you and take care of all your stuff. She is our office manager. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and run out to the job. I'm meeting Warren there, and we're gonna go start knocking it out. Let's get into it. All right, guys, now here we are in the room. We've been, little side note, we've been working with this client for the past like 8 or 9 months. So I saw his model, and then I saw this place a few months ago, and then he met Warren up at the shop, and they like finalized the whole deal for what we wanted to do with this space. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a rundown. So yeah, up there, 160-inch screen. So we're having a 160-inch screen, and then 3 6,000 THX box speakers, bookshelves behind there. Warren and I both have these in our own homes. It is probably one of our favorite speakers on the planet, and we're putting 3 of them behind that screen. It's gonna be freaking phenomenal. They pre-wired some stuff wrong up top, so those are 4 overheads. I'm kicking everything in, and then I'm moving these guys back, and then moving the rear presence back as well. Here's your sides. Remember, this is a 7.2.4 system. Has all those Pro 16s all around. These sides are going to move up a little bit and down. The backs are good where they're at. And then that one's going to move up and down a little bit. And yeah, projection's wired up there. I'm going to go ahead and back it all the way up to the back there. And it is going to be a freaking awesome, phenomenal project. Warren and I are super stoked for it. Gonna block out all those windows, make this just a stupid good room. And then yeah, we're putting a master brand rack here in the corner, 27U, be about this tall. And then SPL 150 and SPL 100 in this room to complete that 7.2.4. But yeah, as soon as Warren gets here, I'll let him take over a little bit, and then we'll rock and roll from there. Get it going. That thing's a beast. It's nice. I'm really excited to play with it. Yeah, it's snug, but it fits. At Divine AV, guys. THX-6000 mounted behind the screen. Yeah, it's seated. Got all 6 holes in. All right, guys, how about that? That's a 161-inch custom curved acoustically transparent Dovine audio-visual special. So there she blows. Mercedes got all the border done, as you saw. Looks phenomenal. He upgraded for the gloss black sides. Of course, behind that screen, we've got the 6000 LCRs, THX, beautiful speaker. And then, yeah, we got the SPL 150 up in the corner. 100% done with the installation here. SPL 150. Got all our grills painted. Got the Pro-16s right there. We got Pro-16s all around for the overheads. Just black matching in there, they look beautiful. Installed in the back, all black. Here's his rack. Let's pop this guy open. Super clean, beautiful work. Thank you, Mercedes. SPL 100 right there. And there's the big boy. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in for the installation portion of this one. If you haven't already seen it, we have just a straight walkthrough and demo for this guy, so you can check that video out. And yep, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.